Chucky is on the documentary for the 2021, who's known as my favorite and the Walt Disney and the go-to for the Chuck E. Cheese store. And the people want to go to 1977? Hey, it's me back again. Galleon's back, bringing for the coolest Brian series today. This is we have a displays like 2021. This is Chucky the Squishy Clock in 1977, and the one series of 2021 and the presented Mickey Chuck E. Cheese. The one series is a secret to the 2022 or the way to the Olympics in hand. There's a look at the check this one. The eyes, nose, and mouth. Let's check some symbols. Wow, look at that squishy. This is so cool. I love Chuck E. Cheese squishy. I'm very and very happy to the nose. And my friend. And the way happy at the Chuck E. Cheese stores. You can own them from Chuck E. Cheese stores. And then the secret from the eBay. And the last one from the Chuck E.'s ears. And the mustache and the mouth and the tongue. And teeth and more. And check this one. And see if the squishy and so I love whether this one the Chuck E. Cheese squishy said. I'm a very thinking. We have the thank you for the inside the train cells. This is the break of the Michael Mozart. This is the Adventures in the Chuck E. Cheese and the e-bikes. Look at Chuck E. Cheese store. Let's get to the price is cheap. Are we back? Here what's for the Chuck E. Cheese stores is coming up for 2021 collectibles. The guy layout, that's for Troy Marsh.